Been a long time, guys. I'm doing a before picture. Supposed to get our first bit of snow. And I want to make sure I have pictures just in case this stuff don't make it. And it's supposed to be frost tolerant. So we shall see. I may end up picking some of these mustard green. These leaves are humongous. Don't remember which ones those are. I think those are Florida. But I did do a fall garden this year, and this is the best. And what's really funny, look at all these leaves on the ground, is these marigolds and petunias are still going. And it's like 39 degrees today, and ooh, turnips look good too. I still actually have a few tomatoes still hanging on. Ooh, what is this? That's a petunia. Some radishes. Those are some kohlrabi peas. I don't think those peas are gonna make it through, but we shall see. We got collards, Chinese cabbage, kale, bok choy. That's different. I think that's tender green, mustard greens. And here we got the white kohlrabi, red turnips, top soy. Still got some purple bell peppers on. Snapdragons, marigolds going, petunias that have reseeded themselves so many times. I need to let the last of the eggplants that I need to take out. Let's see. Last of my okra I need to take out. I think that's that edible chrysanthemum thing. I can't think of that right now. I'll put it on the screen. More tomatoes that need to come off. Carrots that are supposed to be seeded. My black cherry tomato lasted through them all. More radishes. Let's see. Green onions. Rutabagas. Oh, we got some trying to root up back there. That's cabbage or cauliflower. I'm not sure which one. Those are red cabbages that are being crowded out. Broccoli. More mustard greens. I guess you guys can tell I like mustard greens. What is this? Brussels sprouts. There's some lettuce that went to seed because we did some weeks with hot weather in the summertime. There's some kind of collard, some kind of cabbage. Collard, cabbage, bok choy, not sure which is which. So this is my before. We'll see what after looks like. See you guys next time. Bye.